Okay, I have this hooked up. If you hear hissing, it's my hose, not the tool. Here, it looks like they have some pipe dope on there, so that's good and sealed. It's just this. So this is good to from 70 to 110 psi. I've got the longest staples that they provide in here, and my compressor's at 100 pounds right now. This is maple. It's not, doesn't feel like hard maple, but it's pretty hard for soft maple. So I'm gonna drives it all the way in. Bump fire. It's nice. Seems to do well. It's got a pretty heavy casting. Feels pretty solid. Oiled. I kind of like the oiled ones. They seem to be more reliable for me. But seems like a good unit for the money.